Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up security for Windows using Windows Security. This built-in tool helps protect your computer from viruses, malware, and other threats. So let's get started. First, click the Start button and type Windows Security. Next, click Windows Security from the search results. When the Windows Security window opens, you'll see the main security dashboard. Make sure there are no warning messages or actions needed. Click on Virus and Threat Protection and ensure protection is turned on. You can also click Quick Scan to scan your computer for threats. Next, select Firewall and Network Protection and make sure the firewall is enabled. Once everything is turned on, your Windows PC will be protected with the built-in security features. And that's it. You've successfully set up security for Windows. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.